Oh, you work good?
Yeah. How are you?
Loosen up a bit?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
So you probably see somewhere a lantern. Do you see a lantern?
Yes.
Click on this lantern and then the world will reveal itself like a fairy tale.
Okay.
So Micah's got
This button?
focus. Yeah.
With this one?
No, the trigger button. I only use the trigger button.
Okay. Oh, wow.
What's it like? It's your first time trying it. What do you think?
Well, the graphics are pretty good. This stuff is pretty good. Let me just take a step around carefully.
Yeah, no, you have some space.
Find the little elf, Micah.
Yeah, where's the elf?
I don't know, man. You tell me.
Okay. So wow, yeah, the six top. The world is a little bit woozy, like it's moving around a little bit. Oh, there's the elf. Right here.
Yay!
So what I'm seeing is like I'm a giant in this world with little characters, and so the elf is about a foot tall.
Yeah.
And he's got this little platform, and there's a bunch of little platforms. Okay. So it's sort of a point-and-click adventure where let's see. Okay, so now the elf is about 2 inches or 3 inches tall.
Is the elf getting bigger?
No, he got smaller.
The elf's getting smaller?
Yeah, this is very interesting because it's like
He kind of appears
it's
and
definitely
disappears.
mobile VR, but this is not the same as like the full desktop Vive. But you have this like freedom of movement that you didn't have before with mobile VR. So this is very interesting. And then the 3-dot controller acts as a laser pointer. So I'm clicking the plant, and the plant releases a light, and then the character follows the path to the next point. So it's a lot like on a PC, like a point-and-click adventure, but it's all in 3D, and you can move closer to the character, unlike a real PC adventure. And this is really entertaining.
It is.
And
So, Micah, what do you think would be the ideal game for this kind of headset, where you have this mix between mobile and but with 6-DoF?
Well, I think this game definitely plays to the features of this platform because you have basically a laser pointer. Like if I move my controller in space, like I don't see the controller move in space. So basically, you would want to think of creating a game that would be sort of similar to what you would make if you had just a mouse interface for a computer, but also something that instead of like, so you can actually move around and take different perspectives, but to a limited extent. Like I can't see the conference room around me at all, so I have to be cautious not to walk into somebody by moving too quickly.
I wonder if there's the ability to make mixed reality apps for this.
Or to do the thing like on the regular Vives where you can double click and see out the camera.
Yep.
I suspect that this particular device is VR only. Is that correct? Is the Vive version?
Pardon me.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm gonna cut Micah.
Okay.